Hi everyone. Okay, this is the Kelly Purkey kit. I think this is the last one. I'm pretty sure it's the last one. Which is so sad. So sad. Thank you. Aw. Oh, yeah. Oh, April. Oh, wait. Don't forget this will be your last kit delivery. Aw. Oh, wait. It is March. Oh, so it is. Oh, how sad. I was hoping it would not come as quickly as it did. But time does not wait. So this is the pocket kit. Wake me up when we get there. These are double-sided. Ooh, I love this. That is just total like retro colors. It's like crazy. Ooh, this blue is just beautiful. Wow. Getaway. The green's pretty. I love that green. These are really bold colors. Indian, Arctic, Southern, Atlantic, Pacific. Trying. Oh, look at that. Try not to take up too much of your time. Frequent flyer. Oh. Love. Love, 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 love. Oh, wait. I dropped it. Okay, I got it. Oh, it's the airline window. How cute is that? Oh, I love that. Okay, so this is the pocket one. Let me see this. Oh, so this is the window. Let's fly away. Check out the view. How pretty. Oh, look at, there's Disneyland. There's Disneyland. There's Paris. Probably Arizona. Like Palm Springs. China. Hong Kong. San Diego. So, okay, and these are the 4x6 cards. Look at that red. The red is gorgeous. Oh, look at this purple, you guys. This is amazing purple. Woo, that is in your face. Like that. Ooh, look at the airplane. How cute is that? And then you always get the letters and numbers. And 2 tags. Oh, I love this. I need to bring these into my office, my regular craft room. Because right now they're in my other craft room, my smaller craft room. And I don't use them. And I need to bring them here because this is where I would use them in my main craft room. That's what I need to do. Send me a mental note, okay? That's what I need to do. It is really what I need to do. Okay, so this is the Traveler's Notebook one. And, oh, look at that. Country, state. Oh, that's cool. Notable landmarks, claim to fame, number of times visited, population. That's awesome. This is a cool stamp set. I like this one. Wow. Awesome. Can you guys see that? Probably not. So, letters and numbers. Letters and numbers. It's like the eye doctor. This one or this one? This one or this one? I love that. I like geotags. Oh, so you can cut that if you needed to. Put one on one side and put the other one on the other side. That'd be fun. Green. That's cool. You can write. Wow, I love this blue. Blue is very vibrant. Vibrant. I can speak. Open your lips and enunciate. Yes. 2020. Love it. Go, 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 go. Love it. Ugh, I'm gonna miss her. I'm gonna miss it. She had the most. I had the most stamps from her. Oh well. All right, guys. So we're done with Kelly Purkey. So we'll never see you again for Kelly Purkey. All right, guys. Take care. Bye.